In this video, I'm going to show you how you can't install TunnelBear VPN from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. First, go to your Play Store and search for your TunnelBear app. But before you search, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account. If you are not logged in, it might be the reason you are experiencing this. However, if you had already logged in but you're still encountering this challenge, then go ahead and click on your profile icon up below and then scroll down to settings and tap on it and then look for network preferences. And here we want to change our preferred network. So go ahead and look for this option, app download preference. And currently you can see we have three options here. Choose the first option over any network. This will ensure that you are able to download and install this app over your current network, and go ahead and tap on OK here to save your changes. From here, try installing your Tunnel VPN app and this should now work. However, if this is still impossible, then the problem might be with your Play Store. For this, we need to troubleshoot our Google Play Store, and for that, just long press on your Play Store app and you should see app info. We want to access the app information page. If you can see this app info, you should see a settings gear around here or the name of the app. Go ahead and tap on any of the above to access the app information page. But remember, you can still access Google Play Store info page through settings. So from here, we want to clear Google Play Store data. You can see we have the clear data option here. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data over this Play Store. And the important is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just files that Play Store normally collects and stores whenever you use it to enhance user experience. However, when these files accumulate, they might cause Google Play Store to malfunction or to stop functioning at all. This might be the reason why you are unable to install apps from Play Store. So to clear cache, go ahead and tap on clear data down below here and then choose the second option, clear cache, and finally OK. Now at this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone. If you go now to Play Store, now from here, go ahead and search for your app. So I'll search for TunnelBear VPN and then I'll go ahead and tap on it. Here it is. Then tap on install. And at this point, now you can see we are able to download and install TunnelBear from Google Play Store. So that's how you can fix this challenge on your Android smartphone. Once you're done, now you can proceed and open and start using it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.